Now guys, this is what the finished product look like. As you can see, all of my breadfruit them, well, all of my breadfruit size them, so them golden brown and nice.
Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Check in right now. They are fry some breadfruit. Don't know, breadfruit easy to fry now. It's actually roast and fry. So roast it first, and then peel it. Cut it to the slices you want it, Add a little salt on it, and then we'll fry it. Get a golden brownish color, like what you see them on here. When you have the color on it, that is it. Some people do it the next way, where them actually roast it, peel it, and then put it in a salt water before them fry it. You know, do it that way then. I don't know, everybody do things different. So I'm going to show you the slices them stay before them fry. So this is what them look like. This is what the breadfruit slice them look like before them fry. You can see. Go watch the background. The basin them just use all of that. So see how them look before them fry. Just go and stick and see and go and watch how go on. They may fry to home one there. I mean, no one them too brown. You see? Might look white on the camera. I don't know. Android phone. I'm gonna get out them on here, I'm gonna get in some new one, and I'm gonna show you what them look like when them are green. Right about now, I get them out. Get out my first batch of breadfruit. Hey, you want the oil splash up on you now. So them look. I'm gonna go outside and show you what they look like when I finish. Now I get in next set. So if you don't know how to fry breadfruit, you can stay and learn today. See if I can get one more. Also, I like I eat that. So that is it. So we can show them what them look like. Now one of them fry already. So the first set here I'm fry. So them fry neat and nice. I try to show them when they're in the kitchen, but why the light not bright enough, so you never that split no justice. So you see them nice. Nice and golden brown. So breadfruit for look when you're done fried. Is it really enough for black? So I go ahead and I go break one and show you how the inside diet look. You see how the inside diet look? You can see the fry right through. Soap by the way, should I say. See? Yeah man, breadfruit videos. Then say breadfruit a coward man food. But you have to break to catch a one here, see it? So then, that get there. Take your time and soap and things. Then we can get in one more. That is it. Breadfruit videos. So over to work. Right now, do I love breadfruit. The money just have fry and eat, see me so. And now I use nothing with it. But you have plan to do curry chicken with breadfruit, but breadfruit them I think me already, so I see me so them have up. Breadfruit for days. I'm gonna turn the first one them. I mean on them to over fry. You know? Want it to fry nice. See that? So I want it to fry nice. And I want it to get the burn color or the burn look. You know, you have to practice the thing that when you learn. So you get perfect at it, or well, not perfect, but you're better at it or you're good at it. You see me like way that fry breadfruit for a guest or somebody, or a visitor or somebody. I see me you have to fry it for yourself. You know? Same good things when you get to people, I see good things when you want for yourself. So, yeah. And the boy that can get beer something, So, yeah man, say breadfruit next to it, Lavoy, you want breadfruit? Yes, sir? Yes! Come for it. Mom, can you get it? Yeah. Good. Thank you. Okay, bye. Don't come back in the kitchen. Do not come. There's no juice in the fridge. Also, sister to buy one for you. Let me go turn the one here. Yeah. You know, add the next one over there. So medium, small one. Yeah, so no more small ones. So now go check them. Them on your ass or something. Yeah. Then you can come and leave that one here. So now go ahead. Box over. Take out the second set. If you drain off. When they're inside, in the kitchen, I'm going to show them the breadfruit, them, the color, so you know see the right color. Yeah, but almost reach the final set. Don't know. Look, we're going to get trouble. Go and get trouble. And add some more. Only 3 leaf to fry. And then we're going to show you the finished product, you know. That is it. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Cause I don't know. You take time to do the content and piece with the little piece of phone that I have. Yeah, man. That is it. So, guys, this is what the finished product look like. As you can see, all of my breadfruit them. Well, all of my breadfruit size them. So them golden brown and nice. Light up come down, so the lighting not so clear. But you can see none of them no burn. Or have no burn look. And just frying nice. And thing, you know, slow fry. Make them soak and thing. Nice. Go break one now and show now where the inside that look. So go ahead and break the first one. The top, you see? Fry nice and thing. Focus. No focus. See? That is it. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.